In this video, I will show you how to fix broken window vertical panel. So what happened was, recently a vertical blind of my sliding door broke and the clip on the top couldn't hold the blind. I didn't want to replace the whole vertical set just for one broken panel, so I decided to fix it instead. Put the broken blind on the floor. You'll need super glue, scissors, tweezers, and hard plastic that you can find in your house, such as plastic water bottle, plastic container that you usually throw away after using it. In this video, I used Gorilla Super Glue. First, cut a small piece of hard plastic. Size it to fit on the top of the vertical blind. Do not cover the entire broken area. Then, apply super glue on top of the broken blind. And align and place the hard plastic on the top as shown in this video. Do not touch super glue with your fingers. Use the tweezers to place and align. You may also use latex glove instead of tweezers. Leave the blind on the floor for a minute or two and let the glue dry. Now let's cut another piece of hard plastic for the other side of the blind. Turn the blind to other side and do the same thing. Apply super glue. Place and align the hard plastic on the top. Let the super glue dry. This is how it looks when both sides are dry. Now let's place the blind inside the clip and push it upward. The clip will now hold the panel vertically.